I got this from Facebook about 2 weeks ago when I did my Palia. This is the Palia I got. She's bouncing back. But I got that Palia pretty fast. The seller from Facebook shipped it awfully fast. This is what I got, and I actually forgot what I ordered. I know it was for $7. But this is what I got. Well, it's a cactus, obviously. This is how it was packed. Looks like it has a callus, so it must have been sitting for a while, but just doesn't look too green, but no roots forming yet. And I don't even know what it is, to be honest with you. I forgot what it is. I'll have to see. Looks pretty brown. I got two cuttings. This one doesn't look that bad. So what do you think, guys? Hopefully it'll grow. What do you guys think on the color? Is this one, the needles look real black, and this one the needles look pretty light. Hopefully we can get it to grow. I have to look up the name. I'll put the name right there, and we gotta find a pot to put these in. So it's gonna look something like this in a pot. Oh, I must have poked it. There's milk coming out of the pores, so I guess it's still alive. Cactuses are pretty hardy. They did an okay job of packing it, but it just took awfully long. Looks like they took it right out of the ground. I don't know if it was outside, but there's like spider webs on it. We'll have to clean that up. We don't have to bring that in the house, so we'll make sure this is not bringing anything with us. It's not in the best shape. Not like when I got San Pedro or Pedro. Let's take a picture of that. After just watching it, looking at it, and seeing that the white stuff was coming out, I took it outside just to clean it up. But this is what you got. What do you guys think about the packaging? What do you guys think about how it looks and the callus? Should I plant it now, or should I wait till it grows roots? Leave your comments on the section below. Like and subscribe, and everybody keep growing.